Think of an ideal diode pointing to the right, with a potential VA on its left hand side and VB on its right hand side. If the current would flow to the right, the resistance of the diode is effectively zero, so using V equals IR, get that VB minus VA is equal to 0, and so VB equals VA. If current would flow to the left, the resistance of the diode is effectively infinite, which is kind of the same as an air gap between VA and VB, so there's no relationship between these two potentials. In this question, VA and VB can either be 5 volts or 0 volts. If both sides are 5 volts and the current is flowing to the right, this is fine. If both sides are 0 volts and the current is flowing to the right, this is also fine. If the left hand side is at 0 volts and the right hand side is at 5 volts, you would normally expect the current to flow to the left, but this means that the resistance is infinite, so no current flows, I equals 0, and this is fine. If the left hand side is at 5 volts and the right hand side is at 0 volts, you would expect current to flow to the right. This means that the two potentials should be the same, so this is not a situation which can occur. The potential at the right will change until it reaches 5 volts. By thinking about these possibilities, look at the circuit and work out whether the voltage at R is 5 volts or 0 volts for each different situation. Remember, a 1 represents 5 volts and a 0 represents 0 volts.